I'm not here.
So, faculty that has inspired me, always saved me, gotten me out of trouble continuously.
पीका मैम, हाँ उनको कैसे भूल सकता हूँ। तो मेरे सीनियर्स ने मेरे को बोला था कि जाके किसी लड़की से उसका नाम और डिपार्टमेंट पूछ के
I was like, you know, who is the teacher? How can I talk with her? But after some time, when I talked to her, she literally talked to me about like, अमीशा तुम कैसे करोगे आगे, कैसे लाइफ में बढ़ोगे.
मैंने कहा हेलो हाय, तो पीकाम ने ऐसे मेरे को थोड़ी देर देखी, नोटिस की, या हाय, मतलब व्हाट्स योर नेम?
पीका मैम, पीका मैम से बहुत डांट पड़ी है मुझे। पीका मैम को रिप्लेस कर सकती है तान्या तदगीर, या शी इज द वन हु बुलीज मी।
वो बोलती है FC, I'll be seeing you soon. हम बोले या श्योर।
He knows you're lying in his face and he will still put a present there. That is Vijay Dua sir for you.
अच्छा, she is a teacher, गलत हुआ यार।
1 minute equal to 60 seconds and he is there at the 34th command of the software.
क्लास के विजय दुआ, अरे यार, विजय दुआ can't be replaced man. He is the unique one. He is the unique one. He can't be replaced.
Because by now at this age he doesn't care. He's like तुम्हें पढ़ना है तुम पढ़ो, तुम्हें नहीं पढ़ना है तुम मत पढ़ो.
Obviously Vishesh sir, obviously. And there was Anupreet ma'am, Dimple ma'am.
Dimple ma'am.
Tell us about her. How is she?
She was my mentor and she's the sweetest faculty I've met over here.
Such a sweetheart, genuine and such a kind person. बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार मिला हमसे.
And she's just gonna be like तो ऐसे घुमा के कर देते हैं and you're gonna be like अच्छा.
Yeah, I think Vishesh, it has to be Vishesh. I'm pretty sure 90% of the class has had the same answer.
तुम्हें पता मैं विशेष सर को ना, मैंने ट्रस्ट मी आस्क के मैंने उनको कितने फालतू मैसेजेस किए होंगे ना.
He doesn't panic. He doesn't have any. I don't know. He really like is my spirit animal, and I really feel like that energy is something I want to reach, and that's why like he is.
क्लास का विशेष कौन है? क्लास का विशेष I feel is Shayan. घुमक्कड़, for sure. घुमक्कड़ is the word, yeah.
And he keeps himself engaged with students. He makes films. He takes part in dance, and he keeps the youth, young and fun factor alive in all of us.
So the one thing why Vishesh sir has constantly been my favorite is because class में जो समझाते हैं वो दिमाग में वैसे का वैसे छपता है.
He is a child at heart and an extremely strict person at the same time.
And after 8 or 9 months of working at a design studio, if there is any subject जिसके concepts मेरे दिमाग में clear है और मुझे कोई फ़ोन करके पूछता है कि इसका बताओ, it's photography.
He'll enjoy with you. बोलेंगे मैं सब संभाल लूँगा. एंड में संभाल लेंगे, बट काफ़ी डरा के.
क्लास की लवीना is obviously Simran Pukulangra. ठीक है?
Lavina ma'am has been my mentor from the first year, and she has never ever like scene zoned me.
ड्रामेबाज है, clearly, ठीक है? और ड्रामेबाज है. And drama queen is the right word, not ड्रामेबाज, but drama queen is the right word. So yeah, I think she'll be a good replace for her. And I mean, they two connect really well.
Anupam sir is very inspiring in the way that he's so calm and he it seems like he has life sorted.
During COVID, during my GP, when I was I was struggling, मैम ने मुझे कॉल किया, मैं नहीं उठाया मैंने फ़ोन. शी कॉल्ड माई फ्रेंड्स. मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने मुझे कॉल किया, मुझे पता था वो क्यों कॉल कर रहे हैं, मैंने फिर भी नहीं उठाया.
Anupam sir, you might think that he is sitting in the class talking a lot about other things in life except the subject that you are learning. But ये तो वैसे था, ये तो वैसे, उनके सामने मत करो. He is speaking what he knows best.
मुझे मेरी मम्मी को इंस्टाग्राम से रीच आउट करके पकड़ के कि प्राची को बोलो कॉल करे. दैट इज़ हाउ लवीना मैम हेल्प मी, एंड आई लाइक हाउ डिटरमाइंड शी इज़. कि बच्चे को पकड़ना है तो बिल्कुल यहाँ बोलते ना गुद्दी से पकड़ के मतलब मैं करवाऊंगी. एंड आई एम हियर बिकॉज ऑफ हर. आई हैव ग्रेजुएटेड हियर because of her.
Yeah, so we're very cushioned in class. Our professors are just very there, right there for us.
Words कम पड़ेंगे of course अगर मैं उनको appreciate करूँ. It's because they have done so much for us. लेकिन ये है कि I'll definitely miss.
This is something very unique about NIFT, about FC, that they appreciate you for having a personality of your own, for having a dressing sense of your own.
तो विशेष सर की तो शादी भी देखी है हमने.
It was like my man's getting married. ठीक है? The bachelor of the whole college is getting finally married. This is the moment, sees it all. No camera can capture it. I'm very close to him because of the kind of man he is. And I have a lot of, I've realized that I have a lot of respect for those people who do their work with great dedication. And he is one of them.